Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle on the BMW E60. I'm going to start by removing these two plugs right here. Oh, one of them already fell out. Next you'll want to get something to jam open the door handle into the open position. I'm just using a little microfiber towel. Get that wedged in there. There's this little screw right there that lines up. That's because the door handle's open. When the door handle is closed, like that, it is not lined up. So open it, and that's where you keep it in the open position. Now it's time to start loosening the bolt. Want to get in here, see that it's lined up. So now you want to get in there with a screwdriver. You'll feel when it's locked in. Just start loosening. You want to keep loosening and pulling away. And as you do that, it'll pop out just like so. There's a little pin right there. You'll need to wiggle it off. And there you have it. Now, as you can see, there's still this part on here. So, there's a little rubber cap hiding the screw. You'll want to remove. Oof. 10 years old. This bottom hole with an Allen key. This right here loosens the locking cylinder. You'll want to unscrew it fully. And make sure that it doesn't fall through the hole. There you have it. Now, same goes for the back side, except you can only see the one hole. So, in order to get to the other one, you've got to pull away the trim. It's tough with one hand. Just right under here. And there you go. Second hole is exposed. This is the end product on the right side of the car.